Hello everyone, welcome to this new video where we are going to dive into XOR String, which is a program under the debugging section of algorithm on HackerRank. So this is an interesting part. The debugging is that you are receiving a pseudocode. So you have a code which is not working, and there are a couple of things you need to change in order for you to make it work. And one interesting thing we should be aware of is that we are supposed to do it modifying at most 3 lines in the given code, and you cannot add or remove line to the code. It's really important. I'm going to explain you why at the end. So let us dive into the problem. So in this challenge, the task is to debug the existing code to successfully execute all the provided text file. Given two strings consisting of digit 0 and 1 only, find the XOR of two strings. This is an example. You have this as input. You need to find the XOR of these two strings. One thing you need to know is that the XOR of 1 and 1 is actually 0. The XOR of 0 and 0 is actually 0. The XOR return 1 only if it is 1 and 0 or 0, 1. So if they are equal, if the top and the bottom are equal, we return 0. Otherwise, we return 1. So that is the logic we know. Let us see what has been implemented. Here we can see that we have an input string which is actually empty. We are looping from left to right to the size of this guy. Okay, now we are checking if the element at position I of S is equal to the element at position I of Chi. Okay, and after that we erase the response with 0, else we erase the response with 1. So one thing is interesting is that we need to compare, but this is not the right operator for the comparison. For the comparison, we need to use double equal because one equal is the affectation. So this is the first thing we need to do. Now, for each of the things that for each of the element that match this, we don't want to erase our result. We want to append it to our result. That means if after the first one the result is 1, after the second one we don't want to have 0, but we want to have 1 0. So we need to append something like this, and the same here for the else. And by doing so, we are sure that our program is going to work. Let us run and see what it gives. Perfect, it is working. Everything is green. I was saying that this is really important, more important than what you think, because let's say I'm not happy with this space and I want to remove it. If I submit, I'm going to have failure even though my program is working. So really respect this and don't allow yourself to add extra space or remove extra space. So this was my approach of solving this. I hope you enjoy it. Feel free to give me your feedback on this. I'll be really happy to interact with you regarding this. See you on the next video. Ciao.